Welcome to Shape Squad, your go-to source for health and fitness. Today we're delving into the world of intermittent fasting, a dietary approach that's taking the world by storm, outshining other plans like keto. Our goal? To uncover how intermittent fasting revolutionizes health and weight loss, backed by modern research from Harvard University. What is intermittent fasting exactly? Perhaps you've heard this term in the realm of health and wellness, be it through blogs, podcasts, or casual chats with friends. But what does it entail precisely? To gain a comprehensive understanding, let's delve in deeper. Intermittent fasting, often referred to by its shorthand IF, is not a mere diet contrary to the general perception. Fundamentally, it adopts a unique approach, one that entails a way of eating. This regimen alternates between periods of fasting and eating. The peculiar aspect of it is not what you eat, but when you eat, making it remarkably different from traditional weight loss measures. It's about manipulating the timing of your meals during the day or over the week, rather than the food itself. Historically, fasting has been practiced for centuries, often for religious or spiritual reasons. However, in recent decades, IF has been recognized for its potential health benefits, ranging from weight loss and improved metabolic health to an extended lifespan and function. When it comes to the actual practice of intermittent fasting, there are prevailing methods that people adhere to. The most common amongst these is the 16-8 method. This strategy consists of fasting for 16 consecutive hours, then consuming all your daily calories within an 8-hour. This system allows you to reap the benefits of fasting without being deprived of food for an excessively long period. Another widely recognized method in the IF world is the 5-2 diet. With this regimen, you have regular meals for 5 days of the week, then dramatically trim down your calorie intake for the remaining 2 days. This reduction isn't drastic enough to cause starvation. Instead, it's a moderate lowering of the calorie intake. These methods, along with others, offer a variety of choices for those curious about the practice, taking into account that different bodies have unique needs and responses to fasting. Crucially, before initiating intermittent fasting or any dietary or lifestyle modification, it's always advisable to consult a healthcare professional or a nutrition expert to ensure its safety and effectiveness based on your personal health circumstances. To sum up, the 16-8 method and the 5-2 diet are common methods of intermittent fasting, a practice that involves a distinctive pattern of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting emphasizes when to eat, making it a unique approach in the health and wellness sphere. Let's delve deeper into the scientific world. Intermittent fasting is an awe-inspiring health approach that ascends beyond the realms of a simple diet or weight loss regimen. It operates by dramatically transforming the methodology of our body's energy processing, instigating significant alterations in the metabolic functions that form the crux of our physical well-being. This profound alteration in our body's energy expenditure is intrinsically intertwined with the mechanics of insulin, the hormone predominantly entrusted with the task of regulating blood sugar levels. When we undertake intermittent fasting, it directly impacts our insulin levels, playing a pivotal role in the entire process. A decline in insulin levels allows our bodies to harness stored fat as a source of energy, which in turn contributes to weight loss and an upswing in metabolic health. However, its effects are far from limited to this. This singular regime of eating and fasting instigates pivotal hormonal revisions, stimulating the secretion of growth hormones and augmenting cellular functionality. These revisions result in an escalation of muscle gain and fat loss, making intermittent fasting a well-rounded approach towards health and wellness. Moreover, intermittent fasting also sets in motion a process known as cellular repair. This process involves the breakdown and recycling of impaired cells, ushering in a healthier, more efficient body system. This cellular repair process is vital for thwarting diseases, boosting longevity, and enhancing overall health. Intermittent fasting's magic is rooted in this metamorphic shift in our metabolic functions. It's a transition that propels our bodies from a state of fat storage to one of fat incineration, all the while improving our overall health. This metabolic shift is the cornerstone of its effectiveness. Intermittent fasting, a renowned weight loss aid, operates on a fundamental principle that carefully orchestrates your eating patterns throughout the day. It establishes a concrete eating window, which is a dedicated time slot within which you consume your daily calories. To illustrate, consider the 16-8 method, a prevalent practice in intermittent fasting. This routine entails fasting for 16 hours, with the remaining 8 hours dedicated to nourishing your body with all the day's meals. However, the true power of this method lies not within this eating window, but during the fasting phase. This fasting period is a golden opportunity for your body to tap into stored fat reserves for energy, actively promoting weight loss. Hormonal changes during fasting make the stored body fat more accessible, thereby accelerating the process. But the merits of intermittent fasting extend beyond physiological benefits. It cultivates a discipline and control over hunger pangs, fostering a reduction in overall calorie intake and promoting healthier dietary choices. The focus shifts from mere restriction of calories to enhancing the quality of food consumed. The effectiveness of intermittent fasting as a weight loss tool finds backing in extensive research. An array of studies reveal a distinct link between intermittent fasting and weight loss. A notable study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that intermittent fasting could lead to a weight loss ranging from 3 to 8% over a span of 3 to 24 weeks. Testimonials of numerous individuals who've embraced this lifestyle further validate these findings. Countless personal experiences narrate stories of remarkable transformations, from significant weight loss to improved overall health. These anecdotes serve as compelling evidence of intermittent fasting's role in managing obesity and fostering healthier living. Thus, intermittent fasting emerges as a potent, scientifically endorsed method for weight loss. Beyond just weight loss, intermittent fasting offers an array of health benefits, making it a nutrition strategy that's gaining recognition in the health and wellness sphere. It's not simply a tool for weight management, but a lifestyle decision that can substantially enhance your overall health. Let's dig deeper into these health advantages. Firstly, intermittent fasting can bolster heart health. Given that heart disease is a leading global cause of death, it's vital to adopt life choices that mitigate this risk. Intermittent fasting has been associated with improvements in several heart disease risk factors, such as blood pressure, cholesterol levels, triglycerides, and inflammation markers. This dietary approach could be a way to show your heart some much-needed love. Next, let's look at brain health. The impact of intermittent fasting on cognitive function can be significant. It's thought to stimulate the growth of new neurons and safeguard the brain from harm. Enhanced brain health is essential for maintaining mental sharpness as we grow older, and can even protect against neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Additionally, intermittent fasting may even promote a lengthier, healthier life. Studies have revealed that fasting can extend lifespan in animals, and though research on humans is still in progress, it's highly likely that the same benefits would apply to us. It's not just about living more years, but about enjoying a vibrant, healthier life. Lastly, it's important to highlight that these claims aren't merely anecdotal. They're borne out by robust scientific research. The commendations of intermittent fasting are not just folklore, but are validated by an increasing body of evidence that backs these beneficial effects. The science supports these impressive health advantages. Considering embarking on the journey of intermittent fasting, let's explore some practical and adaptable advice to help you kickstart this voyage towards a better lifestyle. Intermittent fasting has been dominating conversations in the health and wellness world, and it's not without cause. It is associated with a plethora of health advantages such as weight loss, improved cognitive health, and overall lifespan enhancement. We commence with our initial advice: gradual induction. It's absolutely vital not to plunge headfirst into an extreme fasting regime. By incrementally expanding your fasting hours, you not only offer your body a chance to acclimatize, but also learn about your body's distinctive reactions. Remember, it's not a sprint, it's a marathon of self-exploration leading to healthier behaviors. Next up, we underline the significance of a well-rounded diet during your eating windows. This isn't an opportunity to binge on fast food, but instead, an occasion to provide your body with the nutrients it requires. A diet filled with vibrant fruits, nutrient-rich vegetables, lean proteins, and good fats can offer your body the energy it needs to withstand the fasting periods. Furthermore, let's examine the principle of hydration. Remember that during fasting hours, water, black coffee, and herbal tea are your best friends. Staying well hydrated can help to control hunger strikes, maintain your metabolic rate, and even support detoxification. Now, let's discuss practical ways to handle hurdles like hunger and societal eating. Hunger is a normal reaction to fasting and can be managed by consuming water or herbal tea. Regarding social eating, remember that it's perfectly fine to courteously refuse food if it's not your eating window. Alternatively, you can tweak your eating hours to accommodate social events. As we move forward, let's consider lifestyle-specific advice. For those with busy schedules, planning your eating window around your most active hours can be beneficial. For night shift workers, adjusting the fasting window to suit your sleep-wake cycle can make the process more manageable. Moreover, for fitness enthusiasts, align your eating window with your workout schedule to ensure you're fueling your body effectively. For those with dietary restrictions or preferences, ensure to get the necessary nutrients within your eating window. These suggestions are designed to guide and inspire you on your intermittent fasting journey. However, it's essential to remember that every journey is unique, and in the end, it boils down to discovering what suits you best. So, ready to embark on the journey of intermittent fasting? While intermittent fasting can be a useful tool for some, it's not the best choice for everyone. There are specific groups of individuals who should avoid it due to potential risks and the unique needs of their bodies. Starting with expectant mothers, their nutritional requirements are distinct, as the health and development of the baby heavily depend on the nutrients the mother provides. If an expectant mother were to limit her eating window as intermittent fasting suggests, it could potentially lead to nutritional deficiencies. This may result in both the mother and the baby not receiving the needed nourishment, which could negatively affect the baby's growth and the mother's health. Thus, it's critically important for pregnant women to discuss such dietary changes with a healthcare provider before embarking on them. Similarly, individuals with specific health conditions may be unsuitable for intermittent fasting. For those with chronic diseases like diabetes, heart conditions, or any conditions that require regular balanced meals for optimal function, intermittent fasting could disrupt the necessary steady stream of nutrients their bodies need to function and manage their condition effectively. Also, people with a history of eating disorders are strongly advised to abstain from intermittent fasting. The nature of this diet might trigger unhealthy eating patterns, leading to a resurgence of their disorders. Mental health is just as crucial as physical health, and such dietary restrictions could lead to heightened anxiety, stress, and further complications. Finally, an alternative to intermittent fasting could be adopting a balanced, nutrient-rich diet that fits into an individual's schedule and meets their body's unique needs. Consulting with a dietitian or nutritionist can provide personalized guidance based on one's health status and lifestyle. Therefore, it's always important to weigh the risks against the benefits, consider one's individual circumstances, and consult with a healthcare provider before deciding to adopt any new dietary strategy such as intermittent fasting. As we conclude, it's important to emphasize a key aspect of our journey to better health and wellness: community. We often underestimate the power of being part of a community. Not only does it provide a sense of belonging, but it also instills motivation, resilience, and camaraderie. Just knowing that there are others out there going through the same ups and downs can often provide the push needed to keep going. This community is exactly what you get when you subscribe to Shape Squad. We are more than just an online channel. We are a collective of individuals dedicated to uplifting each other. Subscribing to us is subscribing to a space of support, motivation, helpful resources, and much more. Our mission is to offer you everything you need to make your health and wellness journey not just effective but enjoyable too. Our videos are meticulously curated to provide you with invaluable insights, tips, and tricks. They are designed to be seamlessly integrated into your everyday routine, making the pursuit of a healthier lifestyle less daunting and more enjoyable. And it doesn't end there. Our community thrives on the principle of each one, teach one. We believe in the power of shared knowledge, so we actively encourage you to like and share our videos with your friends, family, and loved ones. By doing so, you're not just enriching your own life, but you're also extending the reach of health and wellness to those around you.